Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start with another lecture of science from the chapter Synthetic Fibers and Plastics. In a previous lecture, we discussed about what are plastics, what are their types, what are their characteristics also. So we are going to continue with that topic. What are the characteristics of plastics? Plastic have positive aspects and plastic have negative aspects also. Positive aspect we discussed earlier. What are that? These plastics are light in weight, durable, lower price, and they are strong, and they are non-reactive. They do not react with the water and air as like iron articles. They are the poor conductors of heat and electricity. And what are the negative aspects of these plastic? Can anybody tell me what are the negative aspects of these plastic? As these plastic are non-biodegradable, so they are creating the plastic pollutions. That is, they are not environmental friendly. Is it clear up to here? So, can you tell me the answer of this simple question? Why does electrical wires have plastic covering? Is it so? Are you able to give the answer? Why does handles of screwdrivers are made up of plastic? And why the handles of frying pans are made up of plastic also? Yes, the reason of all the three questions is that these plastics are the poor conductor of heat and electricity. Is it clear? Now we are continue further. That is, what is that? What are the things to learn about these plastics? There is a fireproof plastic. What is that plastic? Like melamine. Melamine is a fireproof plastic and it is used for making the uniform of firemen. Can you tell me, is it a thermoplastic or a thermosetting plastic? What type of plastic it is? Yes, it is a thermosetting plastic. Now next thing to learn is name the plastic which is used for non-stick coating, and that plastic is Teflon. In your homes you saw there are non-stick cooking pans or the frying pans. They are having a black coating on their surface. That is, they are non-stick coating, and that coating is a Teflon. On that coating, oil and water do not stick. Is it clear? Now the next one is, these plastic are also used for packaging material. That is, in the medical field, these are used for packaging of tablets, doctor gloves, or any other medical item. In that cases, for the packaging we are using these plastics. And why does the disposal of these plastic a major problem these days? Just think over this question. Why does the disposal of plastic a major problem these days? Just think over this question. Why it is so? Because these plastics are non-biodegradable. So we are going to discuss about these. What are biodegradable and what are non-biodegradable? Biodegradable substances which get decomposed through natural process by the action of bacteria. For example, the peels of vegetables or the foodstuffs or the cotton cloths or the wood. Whereas the non-biodegradable substances which are not decomposed by the natural processes. For example, there is metals like tin or the aluminium or the plastics. These plastics are the non-biodegradable substances. That's why they are creating a major problem these days. So, next question again. Identify or pick out biodegradable or non-biodegradable. Woolen cloths or plastic bag, which is biodegradable? Can you tell me? This one is biodegradable and this one is non-biodegradable because it takes several years for its decomposition. So it is a major problem. And the next one is, plastics are not environmental friendly. I hope you are able to write the reasons for this. Why plastics are not environmental friendly? Yes, the reasons are very simple. It is a non-biodegradable substance. Is it so? Yes. It causes environmental pollution. On burning, it also releases lot of poisonous gases into the atmosphere, which leads to air pollution. And if we are exhaling that air, it will create the respiratory problem, asthmatic problems. So these plastics are not environmental friendly. That is the negative aspects. And plastic material also chokes the respiratory system of animals. These plastics material choke the respiratory system of animals when they swallow the materials like polythene bag. Like cows, they are eating these plastic bags, so that is going to choke their respiratory system and leads to the death of that animals. They also choke the drains in which the water is going to be stop flowing. Avoid the use of plastic as far as possible. So what should we use in the place of plastic, or how we can make our environment good, healthy one? So make the use of jute or the cotton bags, separate the biodegradable and non-biodegradable substances, recycle the plastic waste, and don't throw plastic bags into the water bodies. So there are simple 5R principles which we should follow to avoid these conditions. What are that? Reduce, reuse, recycle, and repurpose and refuse. We should save the electricity, save water. We shouldn't waste any food. Reuse, use again and again like the materials like paper, bottles. Recycle, making new product from the waste materials. Repurpose, using the waste for a different purpose. Refuse, not using product which will harm our environment. So what should we do? So say no more plastic bags. So up to here we discussed about what are plastic, types of plastics, what are their harmful effects, what are their useful effects, and what are the 5R principle. I hope all the topics will be clear to you. Have a good day and revise your topic thoroughly, and if you have any query you can ask me at any time.